What's up, brother? What's up, man? Long time no see, huh?
Yeah, man, just trying to have a good milk at this good place.
Okay, man. So it's been a long time. We haven't met. So today I got you here to ask you quick few questions. So before I start, here's a mic, man. Please have it.
All right, thank you.
Bit update. I would
Wow.
like it. So, man,
It was required.
actually very much, man. That's why.
Chai bro. Chai da si.
Of course, we. So before I start, so my question is like I already started, that how someone can become a millionaire in India, man. So what is this thing we are lacking to reach up to that mark, man?
Okay, man, like अगर तेरे को मिलियनर बनना है, you have to understand it कि वो जॉब से कभी नहीं होगा. वो कभी एक एक सिक्योरिटी वाले माइंडसेट से नहीं तो जीत पाएगा. You have to take risk. You have to build something.
Okay.
You have to see what nobody else is seeing. वो
Alright.
चीज़ देखनी पड़ेगी जो दूसरा इंसान नहीं देख पा रहा. और आंखों से दिखेगा ही नहीं गुरु. तेरे फैमिली, तेरे दोस्त वो भी सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे.
Yep.
But it's just you, in you, like in your mind, you're seeing it. And you can translate it to the reality, and everybody can have the leverage out of it. But it all can start with the attitude. It starts with the vision.
Yeah,
And
actually.
that's how you can actually be a millionaire. You have to understand it, भाई. अगर एक normal इंसान बोलता है कि bro, how to make money? The
Yeah.
question is false, man. Like why? How to make money? You can make money out of so many ways, भाई.
Yeah.
You can sell drugs. You
Sure.
can do anything.
Yep.
You can loot a bank or anything. You can make fucking money. There was this guy in a KBC, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know his name or anything. वो काफी पैसे जीत गया था, like he won like
Yeah, he won about 5 crore, I guess.
5 crore or
Yep.
something.
And today he would be a millionaire, right? Of course, he
Of
would be
course.
living so good life.
Of course. अगर वो भाई के पास 5 करोड़ था, कौन से टाइम में, I think was in 2011, 12 or anywhere.
आज तो वो अपनी
आज तो
जिंदगी.
वो बहुत आगे होना चाहिए था, but the fact is, there was I just watched yesterday when I showed it to you. कि भाई ये बंदे के पास आज पैसे ही नहीं है.
Yeah,
He's literally
actually.
living in a tent or somewhere else. So what went wrong? Was it the money or this person itself? It was this person.
Absolutely.
You didn't have that financial illiteracy, bro. तुझे पता होना चाहिए कि पैसे को खर्चना कैसे है. Where you have to invest the money. You have to be very smart financially, bro. Otherwise you can't win.
True, man. Very
I can
true.
give you $1 billion, but you don't know how to make 2 billion out of it. That means
That doesn't
nothing.
make any
That
sense.
means nothing.
Exactly.
So it's about you have to work on your craft. You have to build this thing with 100% dedication. Then only you can be a millionaire. You have to build on yourself. You have to be valuable. You have to add value in your craft. फिर तू जीत पाएगा गुरु. ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा कि मैं तेरे को 2 करोड़ दूंगा, कल को तू 3 देगा. नहीं होगा भाई. गैम्बल नहीं करना है.
Yep.
तेरे को गैम्बल नहीं करना है. You have
Exactly.
to build something that has a future in it. You gotta build fucking rocket or something, bro. That's it. I mean, money is so easy, man. It's so easy at this moment to make money.
Okay, man. This is very well you defined.
Thank
But
you.
you know, I would say like वो क्या चीजें हैं like जो इंसान को रोकती हैं to become a millionaire, man. Like वो क्या factor है जो which we can overcome and to succeed, man. Like people I have seen, they pursue for a job and they feel that they're gonna feel safe after having a job. Like this is the right mindset.
That having a job,
Yep. And after that they play safe and safe.
I think bro, मैंने लगता है कि यार कुछ लोग ना बस जॉब ही के लिए बने हुए हैं. Like some people are just to work. They are happy about it.
And they happy, yeah.
अब वो खुश है तो अब हम क्या ही कर सकते हैं. But some people are like Genghis Khan, bro.
Yeah.
They need to conquer. Some people want to build empire, bro. They want to rule. So what you have to do is फिर उससे वो mindset आता है, उससे वो vision आता है, वो attitude आता है. अब तू job ही करना चाहेगा, then you can work anything. Right?
Yeah, exactly. You can
So,
work anything.
I think job से तू replaceable है. But अगर तू एक mission के साथ जा रहा है, एक vision के साथ जा रहा है, तू replaceable नहीं होगा काफी centuries तक. And that's what you have to strive for. Job is nothing, man.